Here to play for North Katie Cox after a big win over Plainfield South in regional semifinals. Now, Katie, you've been around for 4 years. You guys have had a lot of tough losses in the regional semifinals. How does it feel to finally get that monkey off your back?
It feels really good to beat South, who's in our conference first of all, and then advance to the regional final. So hopefully we can beat Naperville Central and then win a regional for the first time.
Is it gonna be worth it? You're gonna be missing graduation for it, or?
No, we aren't gonna miss graduation. Graduation's actually at 5, so
okay.
We'll get back in time. But I wouldn't miss it anyways.
Talk about the game. You scored the opening goal. You know, it was kind of a gift in a way, but it was still a big goal to get you guys started.
Yeah, we needed an early goal, so I don't know. I just got the kick on the girl, and then I just placed it in the corner.
How good does it feel, to come back after the last couple of years, to come back and win a game like this and do it in a convincing fashion?
Yeah, it feels really good, especially to put 8 goals up. It feels really good.
Kind of like hard work paying off all these years. And
finally all these years, my senior year, feels good.
Well, what was the key? I mean, they came back, you guys got a couple goals, they came back and made it a game, but you guys responded right away to score. Well, how was it your toughness, the team toughness, to get right back on the horse and score that goal?
Yeah, we were really mad that they scored. We didn't want to let up any goals, so we just decided to come back and I guess place 7 more goals in. So.